Hi guys, I'd like to show you how to make a new puppet. This is one bond paper. Just watch me. Just fold it like this, like this,
And then cut the extra part. Cut the extra
like this, and we will cut the excess part.
Teka lang, paalala mo muna. Before you use scissors,
Please be
be
careful.
careful.
Please be careful in cutting the in using the we will cut this. Now this is now the shape triangle, and we will open it, and we will fold it. This. And let's open again, and we will fold it.
Open and fold. Fold
This.
open.
And we will make all of it. And we will make all of that.
All of the
And this is right now. And we will inverse it. We will fold. And we will fold again. And now this is like this.
This is like this.
And we will put an color.
Hindi mo pinapakita yun.
Like this. And now this is like this. We will fold this. We fold this. And we will add a number in this, and this. Number 5, 10, 15, and 20. It's now like this.
This is now like this. Talagang like this, like that.
And
You can now choose
cannot
the
choose.
color and number.
You cannot choose the color and the number. Just hold it like this. Then like this. Now this is like this.
Now this like that.
And now it's like a lily. And we'll open this like this. Like this. Thank you for watching.